Namaste. This is Biju Sebastian, UK certified family constellation therapist. Something about family constellation therapy. Every family has its own energy field. Have you seen the birds fly in V shape in a very zigzag motion? And if a wolf loses its family, either it come back to his family as by his own, or its family helps it to find out the way back to the family. In the same way, we also have our own family, and family has an energy field. Let me explain. Imagine your parents, your father and mother, standing behind you. Now you are three persons, right? You and your parents. And one more layer. Add one more layer. Let your grandparents also stand behind them. Your father's parents and your mother's parents. So 4 plus 3. Total 7 are there now. You, your parents and their parents. Likewise, since the inception of humanity, if you count, you will have an ancestral ocean of 64,000 trillion people around. 64,000 trillion people. And imagine you are standing in front of them and just turn around and stand facing them. Can you believe? 64,000 trillion people. It's like a huge ocean, a very big ocean, and you are standing in front of me as a representative of all your ancestors. You are not an individual, you are a system. You are not an individual, you are a system. Whatever your ancestors might have faced during all those ages, all those primitive ages, all those memories, maybe murders might have happened, suicides, wars, abuses. Likewise, lot negative things might have happened, and in the same way positives also. Very interesting thing is that our physical body carries 64,000 trillion cells in our body. 64,000 trillion ancestors, 64,000 trillion cells in our body. What does it mean? Means our body carries, each and every cell of our body carries DNA, genes, chromosomes. All those memories are carried by our each and every cells in our body. Whatever happened in our family line, maybe with our parents, maybe with our grandparents, or their parents and grandparents, likewise, whatever happened in that family line, If it is not attended properly, if it is not acknowledged properly, that is supposed to affect our own life as of today. If there is a disturbance in the relationships, if we carry any psychosomatical diseases, diabetes, BP, these are very common now, and certain chronic diseases like cancer, all this has root in our family lines. Some cases I have attended as a family constellation therapist is being guided to 3-4 layers of family. For example, breast cancer, the child, the woman who has it now, and her mother also had, grandmother also had the same thing. Likewise, ancestral, and we are carrying forward all those histories happened in our family lines unknowingly. 90% of the diseases are psychosomatic, and we are inheriting unknowingly all those traumas, emotional traumas, whatever happened in our family line into our lives as of today. What to do then? In order to escape from all those in order to escape from all those traumas, what can we do now? Here we have family constellation therapy. I'll show you a very simple family constellation table. Here, according to your problem, maybe a relationship issue, maybe a psychosomatic diseases, maybe a suicidal tendency, maybe an addiction. These all things can be attended by this family constellation table. Whatever energy imbalance in our family, that will be balanced. Not only your present age, present time, in the family line, past and future also, that energy can be balanced. Here I'll guide you on this table. Each and every family member can come on this table live, and whatever energy imbalances are, that will be moved, that will be shared, that will be cleared on this table. Family constellation table. I have seen lot of people, lot of my clients, after attending this family constellation therapy, could heal their own problems, maybe relationship issues, maybe a disease, and they could feel that balance in the energy, the vacuum in the energy is filled, is balanced by this family constellation therapy. Maybe a death might have happened in our family, maybe an abortion, maybe a death, or maybe any sort of entanglements in our family circles. These all things can be cured on this family constellation table. For any such issues, kindly contact me. This is Biju Sebastian, UK certified family constellation therapist. My contact number is +91 9328 474718. I'll repeat, +91 9328 474718. And my email ID is biju .sebastian SEBASTIAN 11113 @gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching me.